So this is episode number 2 in our UVA series. So in this session, the questions that we are going to discuss is these questions. 1124 Celebrity Jeopardy. It's hard to construct problems so that anyone that's so easy that anyone will get it, yet still difficult enough to be worthy of some respect. So usually we err on one side or the other. How simple can a problem really be? Here, as in Celebrity Jeopardy, questions and answers are a bit confused. Because for participants are celebrities, so there's a real need to make the challenges simple. So which means intuitively that the celebrities are stupid. So your programs need to prepare a question to be solved and a question to be solved and given the answer. So you need to prepare the answer for the input. Specifically, you have to write a program which finds the simplest possible solution to be solved given the answer. Considering all possible equations using the standard mathematical symbols in the usual manner. So this is something that's usual in the mathematical equations. So you should expect a normal thing to be given. In this context, the symbols can be defined as ambiguously several different ways leading to the same path of solutions. So find those equations whose transformation into design requires the least effort. For example, given the answer x equals to 2, you might create the equations 9 minus x equals 7. Alternatively, you could build a system with x more than 0, x squared equals to 4. So, but this may not be the simplest possible equations. So the celebrity are stupid, so they cannot know what is x. So solving these mind scratches very hard for a celebrity, which means they are still stupid. So each input line contains a solution in form symbol equals to value. So for the output, you need to print out the simplest system of equation which will lead to the provided solution, respecting the use of space exactly as in the input. So the conclusion for this question is the celebrity is stupid, so the input is the answer that provided to your program, so your program should output an answer for them. But in this question, the story about how stupid the celebrity is actually to confuse you. In fact, the questions is only asking you to display anything given in the input. So the solution is easy too. So since we have no idea on when the lines will end, so we use n of r. So the console input is not nothing. Then we read the line. Then we display the line. So this is our answer. We can try to plug in our sample input. I'll copy from here. So the output is exactly same with the input. And it did mention that you need to have the output same with the input. So that is it for this question. Thanks for watching.